Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Tonight guys, on this channel I am going to do future project number 4. This is a vase, or the shape of a vase, and if you go back to my playlist you will see the plant stand vase that I made in the home decor section of my playlist, and I described how I made this vase. You will also see how I made this vase if you watch my future project video. So, and what you need are, well, how about this? I'll show you guys once I have everything together as soon as I come back in 2 seconds. Okay guys, I am back with everything that I'm going to be using for this project, and it's probably a couple of things that I'll be adding as we go along. And I showed you how I made the, cut out the pieces, and I have pieces here. I have 17 here, and there are 4 on here, so there's 21 pieces altogether. And I might not even need all of them. The next thing I should have, but I'm not going to use, I'm going to try something, would be tape. Now, the other one I had Mod Podged with paper and glue. I'm not going to do that this time. And the other way that I know is to use masking tape and just form the shape with that. But I'm just going to use this rope. I have 3 packs of cotton rope. I happen to find cotton rope. This is hard to find, guys. I have 3 packs of that. I also have a roll to show the ones who weren't here before. And you just have, you cut out your shape of a vase. You use a paper towel roll. You glue it on. And you glue several on until you have the form and shape of a vase. So, next thing I have is glue, a tray, and a sponge brush. I'm going to try these 2 glues right here. They came from the Dollar Tree, and they clog up. So I'm going to open them up and pour it out in this dish, and I'm going to use it like that because I don't have any money to waste. I probably could use another pump, but I'm not going through all of that. I also have spray. I'm going to try the spray because I don't know if I'm going to spray paint. I might leave this the natural color. I also have my handy dandy hot glue gun. I have a mirror. I have some metallic foil leaf flakes. I'm going to try these. Last time I used, it was black and gold. This one's going to be cream and silver, because this is not like a white. It's a creamier white. And what else do I have? Oh, I have my pieces, my vase shapes. And the way I was able to get the same shape as I have here, I just took a piece of this here board and I put that on here like that, and I traced it. That was it. So when I got that one, I just took a piece of styrofoam poster board and I traced a bunch of them and cut them out. So guys, this is a mouthful. Oh, and for the base, I'm going to use this candle tray or plate. So that's what we have. And again, I said this was going to be on top. I'm making another plant stand. All right. So guys, let's get busy. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get this vase looking like a vase. And we're going to add the shapes on to the toilet paper towel roll. Yeah, make sure you're putting it on straight, because I was about to make a mistake. So what I'm going to do is, right now, I'm just going to do it. Put the glue directly on the tube until I have to start putting it on the shape itself. Alright guys, I am back. I have the glue from the Dollar Tree. I have that in my tray right here. That's what it looks like. It's loose, like milk. that ready, I have a bristle brush. I have a sponge brush. And I'm not sure what I'm doing, but we're going to try this out, okay? I also have the foil. And I feel like I should put a mask on because this stuff is so feathery. I'm already seeing pieces, teeny pieces floating around in the air. Ugh. But anyway, I'm going to pull some out of the bag. Like that. That might be enough. Alright guys, so where I'm going to start. Ooh. I think I'm going to start off with the bristle brush and see what that does. Alright, let me see. I'm going to try a spot right here. Okay. And I'll take the foil, put it in place. And you know what? I'm just going to wind up brushing it off. I might have to let it dry too for a second. A little bit. Alright, this is going to be a section by section thing. And you know, there is a glue that is for this stuff right here. And you know, I don't think this is going to work, guys. Yeah, I need something to just be sticky. This is wet. This is more than sticky. This is just wet. And it would probably be better if it was coming out as a spray. But since I'm brushing it on, no. No, I'm not feeling this. So this is what I'm going to do. Well, this is what it looks like right there. I'm not feeling that. Let's do this. Move my eyeglasses out the way. Alright, let's see. Okay, now let's see how that goes. How about I just take a whole big thing and slap it on? Yeah. Yep, just gonna slap it on. Oh yeah, now that's better. The sticky, oh yeah, I like the sticky. Good. Yep, we're just gonna do this. Let's stick it everywhere I think that spray went. Messy. This stuff was floating everywhere. Alright, I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna spray this side. Alright guys, I had to speed it up because this is a very tedious job. And here you see me spraying on more of the adhesive. And I'm just putting it on in just chunks. Afterwards, I rub it in to make sure that the pieces are laying into the glue. Then I brush it, which helps that process also. Brush all of the loose pieces. And yeah, I did decide to put a mask on because there was too many floaties. Okay. Rub it again. Brush off some more loosies. And then here, guys, this is where I embellish the rim of the vase with some metallic silver, I guess you could call it tassel or fringe trim. Give it a little classy look. This vase is turning out really well. I also decided to put some of the diamond wrap on top of the trim or the rim of the vase. Here I remove the painter's tape so that I can continue to put the diamond wrap around the inside of that frame. I also had to put where the top and inside of the diamond wrap meets, I had to put a single layer across the seam. And here it is, guys, the final result of the plant stand shaped like a vase. I think it turned out really pretty. And guys, to pull this sparkle effect and silver together, I decided to put mosaic glass tile pieces on in random places. It pulls it all together. Yeah, looks good. So guys, if you like the content that I put out in this video today, give me a thumbs up for a like, subscribe, and hey, hi to my new subscribers. Hey guys, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for those of you who haven't. And comment below. Let me know what you think about this project. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.